I love our dog Bentley and all the joy he brings to our family, but I don't always love the messes he makes. Whether you've had your pup for years or you're a brand new pet parent, accidents are just part of the deal. But with Nature's Miracle Advanced Stain and Odor Eliminator, cleaning them up is easier than ever. The flip and go bottle design makes cleanup a breeze. Just flip up the extension wand and twist the nozzle to your desired setting. With a touch of a button, I can tackle pet stains with precision. After 15 minutes, I simply blot up the mess with a clean cloth. The stain is gone and the carpet looks as if nothing ever happened. Does your pet like to lay on your sofa or favorite fabric pillow? A quick spray of Nature's Miracle goes to work instantly, using enzymes to break down everyday messes and smells. It keeps working as long as the stain is present, while neutralizing odors at the same time, leaving behind a fresh, light scent. It's safe to use on carpets, hard floors, furniture, and fabrics, so I can tackle messes anywhere. Even when Bentley tracks in dirt and mud from outside after an enthusiastic game of fetch or an afternoon adventure in the yard. And with its compact grab-and-go design, it's easy to store without taking up much space in my cabinet. Nature's Miracle offers a range of must-have products for pet parents of both dogs and cats, helping to keep homes fresh and clean, no matter what kind of messes our furry friends make. Bentley and I have a deal. He stays his fun, adorable self, and I keep Nature's Miracle close by for those unexpected pet uh-oh moments. Say goodbye to stains and odors, and hello to a fresh, clean home. Thanks to Nature's Miracle for sponsoring this video.